Hello, Joshua Callan here. Thought I'd do just a quick update. I haven't been doing much the last 2 weeks. Main reason, the floor in my bedroom got done. So that's why I really haven't done much. Took all day. Started at 7:30, pulled everything out. Dad ripped up the carpet, put the new floor down. We got done about 9 in the evening. He also did my closet back there. So I'm slowly putting everything back together. I've been working on my desk. I had two boxes of stuff that I've been going through. I have a pile down here of paper just to get rid of. Don't need it anymore. I think I had one 2 years that I wrote 2-3 years ago. Why do I still have it? So that's basically what it's been up to me. Today, I should say. I grabbed one of these like notepads and all that. The reason why you see the hole is for this little LED spinner thing. I don't need it anymore. Got a pile of trash going too. The contacts are crusty, so again, I don't really need it. So basically there's 4 screws there and there, which I basically already took out just to take it off. Off that leather or whatever they use. So I'm sort of doing it impromptu. That ain't really gonna work. I was thinking I could just point it straight down, but the computer would just be just about closed. So that's what I've been doing practically all day today. Also watching YouTube. Got a backlog of some large videos from the week. The week was not a fun week at work. I spent about 4.5 days doing the same thing over and over again in front of a heat gun. Blowing about 800 degree heat at me. Of course, I did have a fan on me, so I wouldn't overheat. So on this LED, there's just 4 screws. I'm just gonna trash this, throw it along with my electronic waste. I have a bunch of stuff in my storage unit that is also gonna go. I also pulled the circuit board or the cover off this, and there's a little microcontroller that basically I think had a probably a timer circuit in it. So this is open, so that's how crusty the contacts are. So this one is just real dirt simple. A switch and LED. Of course, it only has like probably 1.5 volts. So that, since there's no electronics except for the LED, switch is crusty enough. So really not much has also happened. Having some maintenance done on my trailer. I know I could do it. It's just I have never done it before, and I'd rather have a professional take care of it. So that's basically why I'm not working on my simplicity. and it's already 8:30 at night. Of course, I was thinking about going over to my storage unit to putz there. Not gonna happen. Not tonight. Maybe. So, just a real quick update for me and a quickie teardown. So, yeah, I basically had my room spit out in the living room and spit back in my room. So, I plan on doing something with that wall back there. It's just a sort of a catch-all right now until I get around to figuring out that wall. I got a few things I might want to put there, so yeah. I don't know much anything else. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.